that. Okay, one more. Hi! Very good. Hello!
Check, check.
Okay, very good. So, by the way, my name is Maki, so I am your magician for tonight, okay? So, what is my name? Again, my name is Maki, okay? So, what is my name? Not Banky, okay? Maki only. So, guys, before I will start my magic show, okay, listen, this is my magic box, okay? So later, I will show you the bird. Who want to see a bird? Raise your hand. 1, 2, all of you, very good. So now, kids, later I will show you the bird. I will throw the bird. All you have to do, kids, catch the bird, okay? Okay? Very good. So, who knows our magic words for tonight? What is our magic words for tonight? You. Sorry? Happy birthday, princess. Okay, kids, if I ask you what is our magic words for tonight, everybody shout happy birthday. Okay, again, what is our magic words for tonight? Happy birthday, princess. Okay, now, who wants to learn a magic? Okay, I will teach you a magic. You, all of you. Okay? Okay, listen, are you ready to see some magic, yes or no? Wow, okay, one more. Are you ready to see some magic, yes or no? Okay, kids, everybody clap your hands to our birthday girl, princess. Clap your hands. What? Okay. Kids, everybody count 1 to 3.
Wow, magic!
Okay, what color? Okay, white and yellow. Alright, kids, everybody clap your hands. Watch my hands. Okay, kids. Can I hear clap your hands? Wow. Okay, you want more magic, yes or no? Again, what is our magic words? Everybody shout happy birthday, princess! Very good. Okay, one, yes. Okay, yes, everybody clap your hands. What color is this? How about this one? And the last one is color. Okay, one. Nahulog na eh. Thank you so much.
More.
Okay, now. Guys, like what I said earlier, okay, now who want to see a bird? Okay, now I will show you the real bird. Okay, are you ready, kids? One more, are you ready to see a bird? Watch. Watch. Now, a white handkerchief. Watch the handkerchief. I will stop my finger. Now, there is a bird inside the white handkerchief. Watch. Go. Wow. Now. Okay. Okay, now. Yeah, no, it's a real bird.
No, it's not real.
No, it's real.
It's not real.
Huh?
It's not real.
No, it's red. See, it's moving. Okay. It's real bird. Okay. Huh? No, it will fly. I will throw, huh? Okay, I will throw this bird. Okay. Ready? Okay. Kids, count 1, 2, 3. One. One more. Fly! Oh, don't kill that bird, huh? Okay. Is that the real bird? Is that the real bird?
Sinira na.
Do not divide into two. Okay. Give it to me. Throw it to me. Throw it to me. Give it to me back. Give it to me. Give it to me. Throw it. Okay. Wow. Oh. Why you kill that bird? Kids, is this a real bird or no? Are you sure? What do you want? A real bird or no? Sure? Okay, wait. Yes, I have a real bird. Is this a real bird or no? Who want to touch this bird? Okay, okay, listen now. Hands down, hands down. Like what I said, this bird I will throw. All you have to do, catch the bird, okay? Okay, everybody hands up, both hands. Very good. Okay, at the count of 3, I will throw this bird, okay? Already, count 1, 2, 3. One more, everybody shout. 1. Okay, I throw the bird there. Okay, the bird is there. No, I throw there. Oh yeah, Mom, where is the bird? Huh? Sorry? In my hand? Oh, nothing. In the other side. Oh, not. At my back? Huh? Where? Huh? This hand? Oh, nothing. Where? Where? Oh, nothing. Oh, nothing. Okay, who want to touch this bird? Okay, kids, listen I will explain to you. This white is bird. This brown is my hand, okay? Okay, touch it, touch only, touch it, touch it. No, I'm joking. Touch it, don't worry. But do not twist the head, huh? Okay? Okay. Do not twist the brown. That's my hand, okay? Okay, say... okay. You want to touch it? You want to touch it? Okay, touch it. Okay. Ow, ow. Okay. Okay, kids. Say bye-bye, birdie. Okay, birdie, go back to your home. Now, kids, this time, I will teach you a magic. Okay? So now, I need a one volunteer.
There,
A one volunteer. But kids, I need a boy. Boy, yes, a boy. But only 6 months old, okay? No, I'm joking. Okay, I'm joking. I need a boy, a volunteer. Okay? Who wants? Okay, so... siya na lang po? Okay, may re-recommenda po ba siya? Siya na lang. Joke lang po. Okay. Nahihiya eh. Shy type, madam. Okay. At the back. Okay. Come here. Come here. Your turn. Okay. Chichi. Wow. Okay, clap your hands to my volunteer. Okay, come here. Go up here and say. Okay. That's for me? Okay. Thank you very much. Go back to your seat. No. Come here. Okay. Hello. What's your name? Yusef! Clap your hands si Yusef! Okay, look at the audience. Yeah. Okay, so how old are you, Yusef? Ay, kala ko sasampalin ako. How many is that? How many? How old are you? 5. Okay, don't slap my face, ha? Okay. I'm nervous. Okay, so this is for you. I put it here, later I give it to you, okay? So, all you have to do, just stand up straight. No, not like that. Do not bend your... Stand up straight. Yeah, like that. And put your hands on your back, like this. Very good. And look at the audience. Yeah, like that. Oh, don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Yeah, like that only. So now, all you have to do is stand up straight, hands on your back. Don't move, Yusef. Okay? So now, Yusef, I will teach you a magic. Now, I will get my handkerchief. Where is my handkerchief? Yeah? Okay, kids. This handkerchief, what color is this?
White.
Red and white. Very good. So all you have to do, Yusef, is do like this. Don't move, Yusef. Are you okay, Yusef? Are you okay? Are you okay? You can say yes. Are you okay? Very good. Okay. Watch. Don't move. Open your eyes, kids. And look, Yusef. Nothing in my left hand. Sit down. Sit down. Watch. Don't move, Yusef. Are you okay, Yusef? Very good. Watch. Watch. The white and red handkerchief, Yusef, now. Inside your ears. Okay, everybody clap your hands to Yusef. Pose. Now, Yusef, I will get, okay, I will ask you, Yusef, now. Where is the white and red handkerchief? You know where is that? Where? Yeah, inside your ears. So, all you have to do, just take it out. Take it. Take the white and red handkerchief inside your ears. And give it to me. Inside your ears. Take it out. Do like this. Inside your ears. Inside your ears. Nothing? In the other side of your ear. Okay. Not sure? Inside your nose. Take it out. Inside your nose. Inside your... Not sure? Inside your mouth. Check it. Nothing. Okay. So now, kids, listen. Because I am a magician, I will get that white and red handkerchief inside his ears. Using my power. Okay, so I will get my
Magic wand.
a magic wand. I will get my magic wand. Okay, Yusef, to get that white and red handkerchief, I will get my magic wand. Here in my... Where's that one?
Magic sarap.
Maybe I forgot my magic wand. Here! Okay, here is my magic wand. Okay, Yusef, listen. Okay, Yusef, listen. This is my magic wand. The powerful magic wand in the world. All you have to do, just wave the magic wand 3 times and tap 3 times. Okay? So, but do not break the magic wand. This is the powerful magic wand in the world. Okay? Understand? Very good. So, hold the magic wand. Wave 3 times and tap. Okay? Okay, okay. At the count of 3, wave the magic wand and tap 3 times. Okay, do like this. Wave 3 times. Go, wave. Wave.
Bro.
Why you broke it? No, you oh. Okay, don't worry, Yusef. Because I am a magician, I will fix this magic wand. But blow like this. You need to blow like this. Okay? Blow. I know what you eat. You eat chicken? Okay, blow again one more time, okay? Like this. Okay. Without water, okay? Go, blow. Ready, kids? Watch the magic wand. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wow,
Wow.
magic.
Okay, everybody clap your hands.
Yay!
Now, Yusef. Okay, hold it again. Do not broke it again, Okay. At the count of 3, just wave like this and tap. 1, 2, 3, go. Wave. What have you doing? Why you broke it? Oh. Natatakot ako, baka sampalin ako bigla. Okay, give it to me. Okay, never mind this magic one. Here. Use this one. Just wave like this and tap. Okay? Hold it. Wait. Wait. Wave like this only. Like this. Wait. And tap. Wait. Okay, never mind this again. Okay, now, because now, Yusef, stand up there, don't move. Now, I will get a white and red handkerchief inside your stomach. Now, I will use my sword to cut your stomach. Okay? Are you afraid? Are you afraid, yes or no?
Yes!
Say no. Oh, very good. Okay, now, I will get my sword. Okay, so are you ready, Yusef, to cut your stomach? Oh, ready? Oh, very good. Okay, kids, this is a magic sword. Okay, ready? At the count of 3, I will cut your stomach. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? Look at the camera. Yeah, like that. Okay. So, ready? 1. Look at my sword. 2. Yusef. 3. Ayan, kala cellphone yung mukha ko, bilutot. Walang keypad yan. Okay, now, high five. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yusef, look! How it What happened to my sword? Oh, no, you eat that sword. Open your mouth. Nothing inside. So, never mind this one. So, this is the last chance. Okay, I will get a powerful gun. Yusef, I will shoot you using my gun. Okay, stand up there. Go there. And look at me. Okay, I will shoot you. Are you afraid, yes or no? Are you afraid, yes or no? Oh, very good. I will shoot you at the count of 3. Okay, kids, everybody, cover your
Ear.
cover your nose. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One step forward. Yeah, like that.
Four step.
Okay. Already? Ready? One, two. What happened to your nose? Ready? One, two. I will call you later. May assistant na. Okay, watch. Look at Yusef. Watch. Turn around. Do like this. Don't move. Put your hands on your knees. Watch. Watch. Ah. Watch. Wow. Okay now. Okay, come on, guys. Everybody, clap your hands to Yusef. Oh. Before that, po.
Nagmamadali.
Madali kami. May appointment.
May pupuntahan.
Okay, so this is your prize. This is for you from our birthday girl, Princess. So, what will you say to Princess?
1, 2.
Game is finished. So, what will you say? Say thank you to Princess and Glitter. Say thank you, Princess. Happy birthday. Pinupok ako. You want Yusef share it to them? You want? We will share it to them, okay? This one. Okay, this is for you, okay? This one we will open, we will share it to them. Okay, ready? I put this thing. Okay, thank you very much, Yusef. Wow, thank you for being sport. Okay, clap your hands again to Yusef. Thank you, Yusef. Okay, now, kids. I will continue my magic, kids. You want more magic? I will go. No, I know you. May assistant ako. Okay, I will continue. Alright, guess what? What color is this? What? Okay, watch. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so thank you very much again, kids. I hope you enjoyed my magic show. Again, my name is... May galit yata sa akin. Ate, performer lang po ako.
Maki.
Okay. So guys, again, my name is Maki and happy birthday to Princess. So all the guys, can you please stand up? And come on here in the stage. We will take a picture. Okay? And walkie face, walkie. Ready, 1,